One of my subscriber wrote that I need to cover Gary, Indiana. He was telling me about how bad it is. So I came and just drove by, see what's going on. I mean, it looks good. Gary State Bank. You have, we have, it's really nice. I mean, you got the good parts of Gary, and you have the bad parts of Gary, Indiana. And I'm going to show you both sides. You got the bank here. Oh, it's a big one. And you have this is the downtown area, I think. This is my first time coming into Gary, Indiana. They said too many things going on. They got the Genesis Convention Center right there. It's not bad. They have the Hudson Campbell Sports Fitness. This is the good part here of Gary, Indiana. I think this is by Albert H. Gary. I think this place is.
Turn right on I-90 East.
So we will go farther back. I think we go all the way out there. We're not gonna. We're going back to Fort Wayne. But he asked me to shot some scene. It's not a bad place. You got the toll road, goes to Ohio and one to Chicago. They're all 90 east and west. All right, let's go. I mean, he told me to wrote me a letter, said, I mean, not a letter, a comment, said, come out and, I mean, go, if you can go pass by Gary, Indiana.
Turn left on I-90 East.
If you go to Gary, Indiana, please shot some photos or, yeah. Okay. I said, all right, on my way to Fort Wayne. Okay. So, I think this is their downtown here. I mean, this guy never, he never came back and visit his town. I mean, even Michael Jackson went to LA or California and lived there. It's pretty much looks like it's empty, but I think this is the good part. Yeah, the good part, or the good all right, let's go all the way down here. All right, we'll go back.
Turn left on East 5th Avenue, then turn left.
No, we're not going there. Okay. We got a condominium right there. It's a good condominium. It's a big one. And I kind of like see we got torn building. I mean, Gary suffer from like lack of work or something. And we have a nice housing development right there. Look at that. They have their BMV here. That's not bad. New housing has been done. New development. Look at that. New development. You can beat that. But on the other side is a torn down place. Yeah, just like that. But what can we say, you know? Uh, a city has its own ups and downs, you know. You can't blame the people. I mean, I don't know. It's just my opinion. Can't blame I don't know, but look at that. They have their own strip mall. Graffiti. Or maybe those guys are famous. We have Popeye chicken that is. Oh, we got some. Oh, we got some groups in there. Go follow this bus. We have businesses that are closed. Now this is the bad part, I think, of Gary. Right here. This is the bad part of Gary, I think. I'm gonna go stop by. Yeah, that's the bad part of Gary. In the end, businesses are closed. No work probably. I'm just gonna show you this. Alright, let's go farther. I mean, I feel bad for the people. But again, there are rich people and there are people that are also poor. Rich and poor, they clash, you know? I mean, this one. It seems that like there's a lot of close or let's go straight all the way up. Kind of like going this way here. This is a nice, this is a graffiti. I don't know what kind of graffiti is this, but it's a nice, I think it's an art or something, or a commemoration of somebody. Yeah. Yeah. That's a nice. Okay. All right. That's the only thing that I seen in Gary, Indiana. So. All right, guys. To my subscriber that requested, I'm gonna post this and you can see. I hope you can come back and visit your hometown. Thanks.